In this trip, the plan is to explore the oldest city of the Philippines, and it's Cebu City. And the best way to explore the Old Cebu is on foot. Follow me and see a little bit of history. To save time, I hired a taxi to Basilica Del Sto Nino and the famous Magellan's Cross. Passed by Colon Obelisk and Metropolitan Cathedral. We walked east from Magellan's Cross to Fort San Pedro. This is Fort San Pedro, built the smallest fort in the Philippines. From the fort, we walked north and turned left to Eduardo Aboitiz Street. This is CASA Gorordo. I'm excited to share what's inside, but would still recommend visiting this place. Done with CASA Gorordo. On to the next one. Just walk straight on the same road and you will see one of the oldest houses in the Philippines.
This is Yap-Sandiego, ancestral house.
Another spot is just a few steps from the house. This is Heritage of Cebu Monument. After that, we explored the oldest street in the Philippines, Colon Street. This historical street was named after Christopher Columbus. For a very late lunch, we decided to ride a taxi and go eat at Bohol Bee Farm. Spent the remainder of the afternoon resting. Cebu is also famous for its lechon, so we went out and looked for one. Continued our food exploration and ended in IT Park. We noticed this coffee shop named 10 Dove Street. Love their coffee and cakes. Till next time.